In triangle LMN, line LM is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle LMN is equal to 90 degrees. Angle LNM is equal to x, and sine x is equal to 3 over 5. Find the area of triangle LMN. Now the first thing we need to do is quickly sketch our triangle. Since they say it is a right angle triangle, so I'm gonna make it a right angle triangle. How do I know it's a right angle triangle? I'm seeing somewhere they say is 90 degrees. So let's label, they say angle LMN. So this LMN, line LM is 6 centimeters, so this is 6 cm. Angle LMN is 90. LMN is 90. So you see, this is not 90. This is 90. So it means my diagram should have looked like this. I hope we are following. So that LMN, this is LMN. Angle LMN will be what? 90 degrees. So I've corrected that. LM is 6 cm. That's 6 cm. And what again? Angle LNM is x degrees. LNM is x degrees. So this is x. Is that okay? Sine x is 3 over 5. Find the area. Okay, so we are done with leveling. We are told that sine x is what? 3 over 5. Now that's from the question. What standard? Standard says that sine x should be what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So I'm going to equate that to it instantly. Over what? Let me call this is LN, but I want to just call it little letter m. I don't want to carry line LN around. So I've gotten an equation, just this place. I don't need this anymore. I've gotten this, okay? All I need to do is find m. Now mind you, what are they saying? We should find area. Okay, let me just quickly say this. The area, to find the area of a triangle, what do you need? For a right angle triangle, it is very easy. It's just going to be half base times what? Height. So half base times height. Right now I don't know the base, I only know the height, but I can find this. So my finding this, how is it going to help me get this? Is it, or I should just forget about finding that? No, if I do this I'll never get the base, but if I get my hypotenuse, I can use Pythagoras theorem and get the base. So that's why I am heading here. So let's cross multiply. Let's bring m over here. That will be 3m is equals to what? 5 times 6. Are we following? Now I'm going to send 3 down. So m will be what? 5 times 6 all over 3. And what is that? 3 goes here, 1, 3 goes into 6, 2. 2 times 5 is what? 10. So my m is what? 10 cm. Is that okay? Okay, so let's proceed now to finding line NM. Okay, I'm gonna call that little letter L. So from Pythagoras rule, I'm gonna state here that what is this? Okay, let me just use the diagram. M square is equals to 6 square plus L square. Pythagoras rule states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. These are the other two sides, okay? So 6 square plus L square. Is that okay? So what does that give me? What is m? We know m to be what? 10. Okay? Plus L square. Now let's put all these guys. This is 100, right? This is 36, right? Plus L square. I don't still know that here. I can send this guy over here. That becomes 100 minus 36 is equal to what? L square. And what is 100 minus 36? That is 64 is equals to L square. Taking square root of both sides, that's 64 is equals to what? L square. Of course, square roots cancel square. And what is the square root of 64? 8 is equals to L. Therefore, our L is equals to 8 centimeters. Now, I'm coming back here. Can I find my area now? Yes, I know my base as 8 and I know my height as 6. Therefore, my area will be equals to half times a base of 8 times a height of 6. 2 goes here, 1, 2 goes here, 4, and that becomes 4 times 6, which is what? 24 centimeters square, since it is area. And what option is that? That is option C. Thank you for watching till the end. Please, if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our page. Until I see you in our next video. Bye bye.